Happy Wednesday, fifth graders. Welcome to another day of math. Today is an amazing day because it's Math Meets Literature, and we are combining two of my favorite things, math and books. So today we are going to be listening to the story Pigs Will Be Pigs, written by Amy Axelrod. And then we're going to combine that with our knowledge so far this week of multiplying and dividing decimals. So sit back, relax, enjoy the story, and don't forget to put your math hat on.
Pigs Will Be Pigs. Story by Amy Axelrod. Pictures by Sharon McGinley-Nally. Story read to you and extension questions by Math Stervakis. There is the pig's home. You can look at their mailbox. It says The Pigs. The pigs were hungry again. "Let's have a snack," suggested Mr. Pig. "Dear, what do we have to eat?" "What's the first thing you do when you're hungry?" Mrs. Pig opened the refrigerator. "Oh no, it's empty, and I just went grocery shopping this morning. Who ate up all the food?" she asked. "We helped ourselves," said the piglets, "and Dad raided the refrigerator a few times." "No problem," said Mr. Pig. "Let's go out to eat." "Great idea," said Mrs. Pig, "except for one thing." "What's that?" asked Mr. Pig. "I didn't go to the bank and I don't have any money," she said. "Do you?" Kids, what do you think the word raided means? In the sentence, it says, Dad raided the refrigerator a few times. Let's continue. What did Mr. Pig just do? Mr. Pig opened his wallet. "All I have is $1, and that's certainly not enough to feed the pigs. Children, how about you? Any money?" The piglets shook their heads no. "Well, family," said Mrs. Pig, "there's only one thing to do." "Hunt for money!" "Let's start with the bedrooms upstairs," said Mr. Pig. He looked through all the closets and drawers. "Look what I found," Mr. Pig said to Mrs. Pig. "That lucky $2 bill I was saving. It was in with my socks." Mrs. Pig searched the beds, looked under the carpet, in the night table, and in her jewelry box. "Not too much here," she said to Mr. Pig. "Mostly a lot of dust, but I did find 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 quarter." Kids, how much money did Mrs. Pig just find? How much money is 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 quarter? Let's continue. Meanwhile, the piglets were busy hunting in their room. They found 6 shiny dimes at the bottom of their toy chest and a $1 bill in the bookshelf. Then they sat down to count out their penny collection. They counted 200 pennies. Kids, how much money is 200 pennies? Let's continue. The pigs finished hunting for money upstairs. Where do you think they're going to hunt for money next? "Back downstairs, family," said Mr. Pig. Mrs. Pig and the piglets opened the front hall closet. They checked coat pockets and all of Mrs. Pig's pocketbooks. They found 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 1 50-cent piece, and 17 pennies. Kids, how much money did they just find? 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 1 50-cent piece, and 17 pennies. Where do you think the pigs are looking for money now? The pigs were on a roll. Mrs. Pig checked the laundry room and found a wet $5 bill. Mr. Pig looked through the kitchen cupboards and pantry. "Dear," he said to his wife, "there's nothing in here. I'm going down to the basement." A few minutes later, Mr. Pig came running up from the basement holding a $20 bill. Kids, look at the picture on the page. Where in the basement do you think Mr. Pig found the $20 bill? Let's find out. "Look what I found in my toolbox," he said. "It's time to eat." Mrs. Pig put all of the money in a shoebox. She counted it several times while Mr. Pig drove the family to their favorite restaurant. What do you think their favorite restaurant is? Let's find out. It's the Enchanted Enchilada, a Mexican restaurant. When they arrived at the restaurant, the pig said to the waitress, "We're the pigs and we're very hungry. What's the special?" This is the Enchanted Enchiladas menu. Appetizers, egg dishes, soups, salads, tortilla specialties, Mexican pizza, side dishes, desserts, beverages, and there's today's special in yellow. Today's special costs $7.99. And look, kids, in the middle of the special, it says unlimited visits to our salad bar. What does the word unlimited mean? Unlimited visits to our salad bar. The pigs ordered 4 specials. They ate and ate until they could eat no more. They paid the bill, then left for home. "Boy, am I stuffed," said Mr. Pig as he parked the car in their driveway. "I can't button my pants." "I know what you mean," said Mrs. Pig. "I feel like I'm going to explode." "We have belly aches," said the piglets. "Just a few more steps and we'll be at the front door," said Mrs. Pig. "Then we can all relax in our nice, clean, neat, cozy house. There's nothing like home sweet home." Kids, what do you think the word cozy means? In the story it says, "Then we can all relax in our nice, clean, neat, cozy house." What does the word cozy mean? Let's continue. The pigs are about to enter their home. Kids, look at the expressions on the pigs' faces. The piglets seem happy. Even the cat seems happy and content. But Mr. Pig and Mrs. Pig don't seem too happy. They seem pretty shocked. "Your mother's right, kids," said Mr. Pig. "There's nothing like home sweet." Well, kids, there's the pigs' home now. Did their house look like this in the beginning of the story? What do you think caused the house to look like this? And I have another question for you. Why do you think the author named the book Pigs Will Be Pigs? Kids, this is how much money the pigs found on their hunt for money. Mr. Pig found a $1 bill in his wallet, a $2 bill in his sock drawer, and a $20 bill in his toolbox. Mrs. Pig found 2 nickels, 5 pennies, and 1 quarter in her bedroom, and a $5 bill in the laundry room. Mrs. Pig and the piglets together found 4 quarters, 10 dimes, 1 50-cent piece, and 17 pennies. And the piglets found 6 dimes, $1 bill, and 200 pennies on their own. In all, the pigs found $34.67. Teachers, This is an ELA connection activity. And this is the math connection activity. Be aware, math is everywhere. If you'd like to buy a copy of Pigs Will Be Pigs, the publisher is Simon and Schuster.
So how did you enjoy that story? I thought it was amazing. Boy, those pigs were greedy. Have you ever been greedy like that at a restaurant? I probably have. Going to a buffet or something. So now I want you to put on your math hat and I want you to think about this question. Now we know that the pigs purchased 4 specials for $7.99 each. If they purchased those 4 specials, how much did they spend? Now, if you look at the menu, it also says that the specials only come with coffee and tea. What if they wanted to add a cola? Because they didn't want coffee or tea. How much then would they spend for 3 of the pigs to get a cola? Use the QR code and scan, and then you can upload your answer to Flipgrid. I look forward to seeing you. Nan, this has been an amazing day with math and literature. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.